Are you looking for anything in particular?
Yes, a TAFE course, please. I'll take that one, thanks.
Lovely. I'll just pop it in a box.
That's great.
Not quite finished.
Oh, look, I don't need a box.
This is so much more than a box.
What's all that?
This is everything you need for the career you want. Real-world training in a simulated work environment. Pathways to university. Professionally trained lecturers. Fabulous job prospects.
Is this all part of a Christmas perk?
No. These are part of our standard courses, all year round. Almost finished.
Almost finished? What else could you possibly add? Look, can I just pay?
There's no need. This course is part of our tuition fee-free course.
Wow.
Merry Christmas. See you next year.